Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn stock market graphs. Understanding these visual tools is fundamental for navigating financial markets. We'll start by breaking down basic components like price and volume, then explore chart types such as line, bar, and candlestick charts. These graphs visually tell a stock's historical price story, offering insights into past performance and potential future direction. By the end, you will have a solid foundation for interpreting these powerful financial instruments, helping you make more informed decisions. Now, let's dive into decoding chart patterns. These are specific formations that often appear on graphs, suggesting potential future price movements. For instance, a head and shoulders bottom can signal a bullish reversal, while a double top might indicate a bearish turn. Recognizing these patterns, like a cup and handle or a flag formation, can give you an edge. Remember, these patterns offer probabilities, not certainties, but they are powerful tools for anticipating market shifts and making strategic decisions. Beyond patterns, technical indicators provide additional insights. Moving averages, for example, smooth out price data to reveal underlying trends, helping you identify support and resistance levels. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, helps determine if a stock is overbought or oversold, typically ranging from 0 to 100. MACD, or Moving Average Convergence-Divergence, shows the relationship between two moving averages, signaling momentum and potential trend changes. These tools, when used together, can significantly enhance your market analysis. Finally, let's talk about applying your knowledge. The best way to master chart analysis is through consistent practice. Spend time daily reviewing different charts across various timeframes. Always combine multiple analytical tools, like patterns and indicators, for a more comprehensive view. Crucially, manage your risk by setting clear stop-loss orders and defining your investment strategy before any trade. This disciplined approach will significantly improve your chances of success in the dynamic world of the stock market.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.